Okay, Wednesday, September 14th. This is a mid-morning SPY video. You can see here so far in the day, 2 hours into trading approximately, we're generally staying within the overnight range at the moment. So we really haven't broken much below. We haven't really broken above. And in terms of the opening price action here, you can see that price initially kind of started with a green bar. We did start a little bit higher. Then we had the little failure and you had the red bar here. So that was an opportunity to go short. It did come down and take out those intraday, or pre-market lows and yesterday's lows barely. And I kind of pointed out that we were probably going to test those lows, but be careful and to look for either failure or follow through at that point. And at this point, you can see clearly on the very next bar, we had a big green bar. So at that point, if you're really trading it, it's kind of a break-even kind of thing because you knew, you didn't necessarily know, but I mean, it was likely, or there was a definite chance that you're going to get consolidation after a big day like this, and this kind of price action shows you that. Now I'm still comfortable being short. I think we come up here, we broaden out to the upside, we take out these stops, and then we can get a big reversal down here. That would be the sign to get short again and see if we can then work our way back to the lows on the day. But you have this big green bar here that you got to get below that midpoint to really feel comfortable. The very conservative way to be short right now would be to wait for some kind of failure, come down, then wait for a pause that really can't head up again, and then know that that next move down is going to take out those intraday lows. So you can either play it very aggressively on a reversal bar kind of up in this area and see if we can come down, or you can just wait till we come down. It's not going to probably come down in one shot and take out those lows quickly given this type of price action. So you can watch it kind of come down and fail. At that point, wait for something that just pauses in here and then starts down again and get re-short into some area that's kind of getting ready to take out all these lows again, to see maybe by the end of the day if we head lower. Again, still no reason to be long really in terms of this price action. We're not above the midpoint of yesterday. Even the opening price action, we can see here, the very first move of the day went lower. And then if this was going to be the low of the day, on bar number 4, you're really gonna have to take out this intraday high up here and then pause and then continue, and that might be the start of a big reversal day. But it's at this point the question is, since this is now the high, is this going to be the high of the day kind of up in this area and we just kind of go sideways, or maybe break much lower, or was this the low of the day here? And I'm still betting just over the overall, since we have a 2 down week, 2 up failure week, to head lower here, that there's going to be at some point selling coming in. It's just a matter of today. Are we just going to be pausing a little bit? And this can set up great short trades coming into, either tomorrow or Friday. So we'll watch for that. But for now, that's kind of what's developing here. Aggressively on the 2 down bar here, if it forms, you can get short and see, did we take out? We didn't even take out that pre-market high. Yeah, we might have just done it here. So that's kind of a good, if you get a big red bar, give it a shot, but you want to see that immediate follow through. Again, the more conservative way would be to wait for some kind of price action. It looks like it's getting ready to take out that low. And in the meantime, we'll see if somehow, this is the low of the day and we have a big move up, but I'm not anticipating that given the big picture. So let's see what develops here, but let price action guide you at this point.